Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial. Today we are going to talk about Hugging Face, one of the most powerful platform in the field of generative artificial intelligence, especially large language model. If you have ever wondered how developer can use advanced AI model like BARD, GPT or even a state-of-art tool for vision and the speech without building them from the scratch, Hugging Face is the answer. By the end of the video, you will know what is Hugging Face, why it's so popular, how can you get started using it in just a few minutes. So, what exactly is Hugging Face? Hugging Face is an open source AI company and community that focuses on making cutting-edge machine learning tools accessible to everyone, researchers, developers, and businesses alike. Their most famous creation is the Transformers library. This library gives you access to powerful pre-trained models for natural language processing, computer vision, and even audio tasks. Instead of spending weeks or months training models from scratch, you can use one that's already been trained on massive datasets. Beyond that, Hugging Face also provides the datasets library, which makes it easy to find and load thousands of datasets. They also created tokenizers, which help prepare and process text efficiently before feeding it into models. At its core, Hugging Face has a simple mission: to democratize AI and make it easier for everyone to experiment, learn, and build with machine learning. Now let's look at the Hugging Face ecosystem, because this is where things get really exciting. First, Generative AI Model Hub. Second, Model Spaces, where developers can showcase live demos of their models. Third, Hugging Face offers an Inference API. Fourth, Hugging Face also hosts over 100,000 ready-to-use datasets. Finally, one of the biggest strengths of Hugging Face is its community. Thousands of researchers and developers collaborate, share, and improve models, datasets, and tools every single day. There are some of the advantages of Hugging Face is accessibility. You don't need to reinvent the wheel. Pre-trained models are available. Efficiency. Save time and resources by fine-tuning instead of training from scratch. Scalability. Models can be deployed easily in research and production. Community support. Active contributors and documentation make learning smoother. Hugging Face is a platform that brings together pre-trained models, datasets, efficient tools, and a passionate community. It makes state-of-the-art AI accessible and easy to use for everyone. If you found this introduction helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.